Is the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle worth your money? Or are there better options available? In this review, we'll delve into the features and capabilities of this high-performance supercomputer bundle to help you decide. The ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle is designed specifically for AI researchers and developers who require extreme performance. Powered by NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, it delivers 1 petaFLOP of AI performance and comes equipped with 128 GB memory for 200B model fine-tuning. This level of processing power makes it ideal for complex machine learning tasks. One of the key features of this bundle is its cable type and medium. The SAS/fiber cable ensures high-speed data transfer, enabling a total bandwidth of up to 400 G per system. This is particularly useful for researchers working with large datasets, as it allows for faster data exchange and processing. The developer-optimized platform is another notable aspect of the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle. Tailored specifically for AI researchers and developers, it offers full-stack compatibility and streamlined workflows, making it easier to integrate various tools and software into a single workflow. This can significantly improve productivity and efficiency in the field of AI research. In terms of design and build quality, the bundle is built with high-performance components that are designed to work seamlessly together. The NVIDIA NVLink C2C architecture provides ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication, while the NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking supports dual DGX10 system stacking, unlocking superior scalability and performance. Performance-wise, the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle delivers exceptional results in everyday use. Whether you're working with large datasets or running complex machine learning tasks, this bundle has the processing power to handle it. The 112 G per lane data rate ensures that data is transferred quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Connectivity-wise, the bundle offers a range of features that make it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. The SAS/fiber cable provides high-speed data transfer, while the NVIDIA ConnectX 7 networking supports dual DGX10 system stacking. So, what are the main advantages and limitations of the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle? On the plus side, its extreme AI performance and scalable architecture make it an ideal choice for researchers working with complex machine learning tasks. However, its high price point may be a deterrent for some users. In conclusion, the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle is a powerful tool for AI researchers and developers who require extreme performance. While its high price point may be a drawback, its exceptional processing power and scalable architecture make it an excellent choice for those working with complex machine learning tasks. For current pricing and more details, check the links below. Hopefully this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.